Good morning, friends. We have a power preview for Q4 13. We expect power generation to be flattest in this quarter, estimating around 228 billion units of generation. We expect a PLF of thermal power plants in India to hover around 79% in this quarter. In this, consequently, power deficit should touch around 10%. Merchant power has been in the broad range of 2.5 rupees per unit to 4.5 rupees in this broad range in this quarter. Some of the positive developments that has shaped up has taken place to shape up the sector. Primarily, financial restructuring plan that has been accepted by major loss-making states like Rajasthan and UP, which would be, significantly they would be holding they will be having 60 to 70% of the total SEB loan that has a stressed loan. And CERC has recently called for a variable compensation tariff for Adani Power. That's basically that could be, we believe that could be a precedent for the other UMPPs who are suffering because of the unfavorable, condition, especially related to the coal price regulation that has changed in Indonesia in recent time. Going for the performance of the companies, in our coverage companies, CESC, we expect a decline in revenue as well as profit. We expect a net profit of 197 crore in this quarter on a sales of 1,125 crore. Though the company has done operationally well, but lower volume, especially because of the shutdown during January and February month, there could be marginal decline in volume. However, if we compare it to the previous year same quarter, there is a decline because there were a lot of that has been a lot of benefit of prior period tariff adjustment, which has been adjusted in Q4 FY12. On Kalpataru Power Transmission, we expect a revenue growth of 11%. However, profit is expected to decline by 4% and expect to be around 54 crore in this quarter. Among our non-coverage companies, we believe Power Grid should continue to do well with a 10% of net profit growth YOY basis. However, Nivale Lignite and Navbharat are likely to report net profit decline of 33% and 13% respectively. In the same time, NTPC is expected to be delivering a flattish number in this quarter. Thank you, and that's it from my side.